But we'll begin from the Milimani Law Courts, where the impeachment trial against the impeached Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua is currently undergoing. And at 2:30, the court is expected to be back for the hearing, and also they will be ruling on a recusal application in regards to the bench. My colleague Ruth Wamboi has been keeping tabs with the impeachment trial at the Milimani Law Courts and now joins us live with more detailed and robust coverage of the impeachment at the Milimani Law Courts. Eve Wamboi, good afternoon. If you can hear me, kindly bring us up to speed with the latest from the Milimani Law Courts and what we expect, and especially on the recusal that was the application that was ruled yesterday, where the court said, indeed, the bench is properly constituted. Over to you, Wamboi.
Thank you so much, Ben Troinjue, back from the studio. We are here at Milimani's High Court, closely following on what is transpiring here from this end. You understand that the bench just adjourned exactly at 12:15 p.m. so that it can come back at 2 p.m. During the morning session, the bench consolidated all the matters and put them under two cohorts. Cohort 1 and Cohort 2. So when the matter will start to be heard, it will be heard under those two cohorts. It will not be the different files and petitions that have been over 30 of them. They are now just under two categories, Cohort 1 and Cohort 2. Now the bench has directed that it will hear the recusal application by petitioners from 2:30 p.m. and that's what we are eagerly waiting to hear from 2:30 p.m. And I have tried to have a grab of the application from the petitioners on what issues they will be raising when the sitting start at 2:30 p.m. and I've been able to gather information that one of the things that they will be raising is non-material disclosure by the bench. What do I mean by non-material disclosure? I mean that the petitioners cite that they have credible information that one of the judge by the name Justice Anthony Murima is a very close associate of the Deputy President nominee Kithure Kindiki, and therefore by him not disclosing that he is a friend of the Deputy nominee Kithure Kindiki, that one will jeopardize the case on the part of the petitioners. So they will be coming to say that they are not comfortable having Justice Anthony Murima on that basis in that bench. I have also tried and gathered, and I have also heard that they're also poking holes on the lead bench judge, the presiding judge, Justice Eric Ogolla. They are citing that Justice Eric Ogola's wife works at Kenya Water Towers Board, and by working there, it means that he was appointed. He was appointed by the president himself, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, to that position. And by him, when the bench was constituted, by him not disclosing that his wife was appointed by the president, William Samoei Ruto, to that position to have he chairs a board there at Kenya Water and Towers Board. That is a very crucial information that he should have disclosed before being appointed as the lead bench judge in this case. They're also citing that when the bench sat on Saturday, due to those two factors of the two judges, Justice Anthony Murima and Justice Eric Ogolla, they were trying to help their masters because they have been helped in one way or another. They are close associate with the highest office in this land, and therefore they will be seeking to convince the bench to recuse themselves because they do not see that they will get a fair trial in this matter. So in the afternoon session, they will be raising those two crucial issues that I mentioned to our viewers, and others that they are lining up, that they will be trying to persuade the bench to recuse itself, because basing on those issues that they have raised, they are saying that they do not have They do not believe in that bench being the way it's constituted. So they will be seeking for the bench to recuse itself, and Chief Justice Martha Koome, who is the President of the Supreme Court of Kenya, to appoint a new bench that will hear this matter. And also you saw that the respondents also want the hearing of the setting aside of the conservatory orders also done today. So the bench has a very hefty packaged diary in the afternoon, because they will hear the recusal part, then also hear setting aside of the orders, because you understand the conservatory orders were lapsing today on 24th of October. So if they are not extended, then it means it will be a problem to the petitioners, because now if the orders are not extended, they are set aside, then we have a window to have the new deputy nominee Kithure Kindiki sworn in office. So those are the issues that are going to be discussed when the bench comes from lunch at 2:30 p.m. and we are keenly following up on the matter to update our viewers in our subsequent bulletin, and also we are live, so our viewers can follow up on the matter live from here. Back to you, Ben Troy.